Good afternoon. Welcome sa Kitchen Graciously, guys. Please like, follow, and share. Sa Kitchen Graciously. Ngayon, gagawa ko ng pork check. Barbecue pork check sa oven, guys. Ito yung mga ingredients ko. Kunting tubig. Gagawa ko kasi ng sauce. Light soy sauce, fish sauce, at saka lemon or lime. Okay lang. Kahit ano ilalagay nyo dito, pwede lemon or lime or calamansi, it's okay. And this one is the 1 teaspoon of sugar, minced chili, red minced chili, and then shallot and garlic, all minced and mixed together. Yan, ito yung mga sauce ko ngayon, guys. And then ito na ngayon yung aking pork check. Ito na guys yung pork check ko, guys. So na-marinate na to. Pero tanggalin ko na lang para lahat makikita nyo. Yan. And then ito yung pork cheek ko, guys. Dalawang pork cheek. In-marinate ko na lang ito. Simpleng marinated na to, guys. Kunting soy sauce with some chicken broths. Kunti. As in, kunti lang ito. Tapos ngayon, magagawa ko na ito. Ibibake ko na to sa oven, guys. 200 Celsius until you can see the meat is done. And then take out. After that, you can slice a thin slice and put in the plate together with the sauce. The sauce, if you want, you can mix up or you can separate in the small plate. Yan, ito. This is my pork check. Yan, simple lang. Sa mga kung yan dyan, gusto nyo matuto, simple food lang. Ito, tingnan nyo, guys. Yan. And then, maglagay lang ako ng sauce sa aking marinated. You can add a little bit light soy sauce. Yan. If you want more sauce, you can add more. 2 teaspoons of light soy sauce. Yeah. And then, this is the fish sauce. Yan. 1, 2 teaspoon, 3 teaspoon, 4 teaspoon, 5 teaspoon, 6 teaspoon, 7 teaspoon. And then, mix together. Yan. After you done mixing, you add a little bit water. And then mix it. Yan. And then after that, you can slice the lemon or either calamansi or lime, and then you squeeze it. You squeeze it and then you put here first. You need to separate the sauce juice. Lagay ko na yung lemon juice. Yung juice ng lemon, guys. Lagay ko na sa aking mixed sauce. And then stir it. Wow! I think this one is very sour and a bit spicy, guys. Yan, ito na, guys. Oh, wow.